Forget about guns. This fish weaponizes water, and you won't believe what it does next. Meet the archerfish. It shoots water jets to knock down their prey. This fish has a special mouth that acts like a living water gun, firing super fast, super dense water bullets. And get this, they hit targets with 100% accuracy, up to 65 centimeters. That's insane precision. Here's the crazy part. They calculate how light bends in water. So then they can target and hit their prey. They are living, breathing physics genius. Mind blown, right? Following these experiments or crazy facts. Or else this orchard fish will target you tonight.